Are you looking for a motherboard for Ryzen 5 5600X? In this video, I will show you the best motherboards for Ryzen 5 5600X in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming. ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi has two M.2 slots, including the latest PCIe 4.0, to provide maximum storage flexibility and the fastest data speeds available via the 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen platform. Both M.2 slots support up to the Type 22110 socket and NVMe Express RAID for a performance boost. The latest Wi-Fi 6 standard delivers high-efficiency wireless connectivity for better gaming performance on compatible networks. ROG Strix B550E Gaming embodies the Strix spirit, with eye-catching aesthetics that clearly reflect its gaming roots. The fourth product on the list is the MSI MEGAX 570 Unify motherboard. This motherboard supports 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics and 2nd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics desktop processors for AM4 socket. The X570 chipset is actively cooled to keep sustained massive data bandwidth. The memory circuit layout has been optimized for maximum reliability. Combining latest Wi-Fi 6 solution which supports MU-MIMO and BSS color technology, delivering the best online gaming experience. The third product on the list is the GIGABYTE B550 AORUS Elite. GIGABYTE B550 motherboards maximize your PC's potential with AMD StoreMI technology. StoreMI accelerates traditional storage devices to reduce boot times and enhance the overall user experience. This easy-to-use utility combines the speed of SSDs with the high capacity of HDDs into a single drive, enhances the read/write speeds of the device to match that of SSDs, bolsters data performance for incredible value, and transforms the everyday PC to a performance-driven system. The second product on the list is the Asus AM4 TUF Gaming X570 Plus. The TUF Gaming X570 Plus CPU VRM utilizes 12 plus 2 Dr. MOS power stages that combine high-side and low-side MOSFETs and drivers into a single package, delivering the power and efficiency that AMD's latest processors demand. Dual PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots support up to Type 22110 and provide NVMe SSD RAID support for an incredible performance boost. Asus SafeSlot and TUF LAN Guard provide military-grade protection for your PCIe slot and LAN. The first product on the list is the Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Formula. AI Suite 3's dashboard-style control panel lets you fine-tune almost every aspect of your system. Get the best balance between performance, cooling, stability, and efficiency via one simple and intuitive interface. Crosschill EK3 lets you cool with air and water. The redesigned cooling channels provide wider copper, delivering up to 29.3 degrees C lower MOSFET temperatures on water, and the G1/4 threaded fittings mean Crosschill EK3 easily fits existing setups. Conventional motherboards use single-ended sensing tapped from a location that isn't ideal, leading to a large disparity between the actual voltage fed to the CPU and the value reported to software. ROG Crosshair 8 Formula comes with onboard Wi-Fi 6 support, offering ultra-fast networking speeds, improved network capacity, and better performance in dense Wi-Fi environments for exceptional online gaming experiences with the convenience of a wireless connection. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.